Pulled up to his house, he's still not ready.
There we go.
Let's go, brother.
Man, sleep sounds really good right now.
Alright guys, so we just made it up to the neighborhood and we have to unload this car real quick and start heading up the hill. We're in the middle of a neighborhood, so we gotta stay super quiet so that way we don't get caught. Alright guys, so me, Jack, and the crew, we started walking up to the fence and the cops actually came by and Scummy like started yelling, told us the cops are coming, so we like grabbed all the stuff and ran. And then it started pouring like heavy rain. And the cops actually like talked to Scummy. So we're not sure if we're gonna still take the trampoline up or if we're gonna still do the hike today. But worst case, we'll come back another day. So right now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let's get it.
Yeah, dude, Scummy got clapped. I mean, the cops followed him out, right?
Yeah.
Now they're trying to either get an Uber or ride in with somebody else to sneak around another way. Oh no, we'll see.
All right guys, so basically we're trying to get up Stairway to Heaven, and while we were going up, Scummy had to talk to a police officer because he was parking his car and the cops rolled up, and they basically told him that if they see him again there, that they're gonna give him a $1,000 ticket, and he didn't want to risk it, so we're just gonna let the whole situation cool off and try again tomorrow. So right now we're just at Palm Tree Forest, and yeah, check it out. Marina, what happened?
I think I might have stepped on like a centipede or something.
A centipede?
It like stings really bad, but there's nothing on my foot.
She said her foot is numb.
But it's like stinging and it feels like it's going numb.
It's going numb, you're done for.
Stop!
I'm gonna sit you now, okay?
I did not condone this.
That was awesome. That was fun. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to pilot a drone
Make sure it doesn't
while driving through what we just drove through.
Are you fucking kidding?
Just film it. Should I scare Drew a little bit and get close?
No, I'll punch you in the face.
Alright, we gotta go. That drone doesn't have that much battery. Let's go.
Going off-road in Jurassic Park. Let's do this.
Alright guys, this is our attempt number 2. Let's hope this one goes well. Alright guys, so we're going back up Stairway. We're taking a different trail, so hopefully this way works and we don't get caught. You already gassed out, Jack?
Dude, I have 2 bags.
2 bags.
And I ran to catch back up after taking a pee.
Damn. You look pretty gassed out.
You were born gassed out, baby.
This guy's loaded. 2 backpacks.
What people don't see is like when I'm vlogging, normally I just have board shorts on and like a shirt. And like when I'm jumping on the trampoline, I'm gonna look so free and nice. But like, this is what it takes to get good content.
Alright guys, so we found the stairs, but we have to go find the trampoline equipment. Last time we were here, when the cops came, we ran and we just ditched all the equipment in the woods. So we're gonna go find it right now and then continue the hike. This trampoline equipment better be there, bro. Oh no. Oh yeah. Let's go. We got the poles. Let's go. Alright guys, so we found all the poles. Now we gotta go back up to the hike without getting caught. Alright guys, so we're officially starting the hike. It's right there. Guys, so we got the poles strapped up to our backs like you can see Jack. Got them right here.
Double poles.
Got double poles. Whew. It's gonna be gnarly. Dude, what is this? Alright guys, we're probably like 100 steps in. We're like really close to the highway now, and we're not even anywhere close to the top. Holy crap. I just climbed this little ladder right here. This view is super sick. Well, holy crap, I'm freaking tired. Definitely one of the hardest hikes I've ever done. But yeah, hopefully we get there up safely. Alright guys, so we're at the top with all the crew. I don't know how in the world we made it up here with the whole entire trampoline, but thankfully we did. It was honestly one of the scariest hikes I ever done. Like literally that pole was stuck like half the time with all the branches on the side.
Really?
But somehow we made it up. How's that hike, bro?
Reckless.
Reckless.
I cruised up with an intense speed, 65 pounds on my back, as well as a small child, and 3 gallons of water. We've only made it about an 1/8 of the way.
Can I have this, George?
We got 17 more miles to go in a vertical manner.
Right there.
And I'm still here.
Exactly where the sun is rising.
That's where we're at.
That's where we're at.
That's where we're at, boys.
Alright guys, we brought the trampoline equipment up here. So we're thinking about either making it here or hiking up more.
Up your ass.
How are we gonna make the trampoline fit up here?
We put it on the railing. We attach it to the railing.
Alright.
And then we do this. We stilt up these legs, because look. How?
It was meant to be.
Meant to be.
Seems like the call. It kind of seems like the call.
Oh yeah, how's it looking, bro? Check out this view, guys. Alright guys, so it's 3:30 in the morning right now. We had an alarm set. We're gonna start hiking down right now back to the trampoline just because it started raining a lot up there. There was no like shelter and it's like super windy and cold. So we have like a 30-minute hike down, and then once we get to the bottom we're gonna build a trampoline and get ready for sunrise. We have this really sick view right here, so hopefully we catch it in time. Squad making it down.
It's about 4:30 in the morning. We just climbed back down from the top. We got the parts right there. It was super sketchy. It's wet. It's raining. It's wet. It looks crazy out there.
I don't know how we did that.
Bro, I literally cannot believe we pulled this off. We got a whole trampoline up here. This is definitely the sickest view with the trampoline, like no joke. Alright, the last pole.
Oh, that's way.
Yeah.
Let's just put this in perspective. I'm 5'10". Let's put that in perspective.
This is a huge ass.
Huge. Now go look for.
That way. Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Alright guys, somehow we pulled this off. We got a whole trampoline set up right now. Sunrise is coming up. Check out this view.
But it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, deprived of all that we're blessed with, and we can't get enough. No, heaven if you sent us down so we could build a playground.
We did
To the
it.
sinners, the player saints, we'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother is caught in the crossfire.
Drew, what's your anxiety level? 1 out of 100.
10,000.
Alright, Drew, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm not bouncing any
That's it?
higher than this.
That's all?
Feet already in the
Yo. Really, Drew? There we go.
I'm done.
Oh, yeah. Sick. Oh, almost made it to the side.
Whoa, dude!
Guys, so we pull this off. This is freaking insane. We got a whole trampoline up here. Alright guys, so we just finished climbing up Stairway to Heaven. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll have more content on the way.